The cat in the hat. There's the hat. Yeah, it's nice in here. Rainy outside, nice in here. Kind of cold. Yeah, it's a little bit cold. I might go on this a couple different times in a row until the rain stops. Might as well.
Made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Cat, go away. You do not want to play. He should not be around when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Ooh. 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 Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You'll see something new. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. Oh, okay. They'll come here to play. It'll give you some fun on this wet day. No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
If mother could say this, oh, what would she say?
Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2. Oh dear, you did not like our game. Oh, what a shame. It's so big, it's so cheap, and so full. We cannot pick it up. There's no way at all.
Whoa.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked